Hello guys, Ivan here, and take a look at this beautiful G63. So this is the 2022 Mercedes-AMG G63 in this amazing red color. And today we are at Mercedes-Benz motor car Nitra in Slovakia. Special thanks. And if you haven't yet, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Turn on all notifications so you are notified for all new videos coming to the channel. And please give this video a like to help with the algorithm to get it to more people. So let me know what you think about this G63 as a Valentine's Day gift. I think for any occasion, doesn't matter which one, this would be just amazing gift. And with these hearts and the decorations are really nice with this vehicle. Of course, we have the legendary locking and unlocking sound. As well as if you open and close the door, we have the legendary G-Class sound. So we can take a look at the interior as well. So in this case, we have this very nice beige interior. And let me know what you think about these color combinations. I'm just checking which lights are on. We need to turn on the parking lights. But yes, this vehicle had slightly discharged battery, so we don't want to discharge it fully. So let me know what you think about this color combination. We have also the night package. Indicators here are in smoked variant, so the glass of the indicators is not fully transparent, and really amazing color combination in my opinion. So this paint is called the Jupiter Red. This is non-metallic but gloss paint, not matte paint. And I believe this is very unique color combination because I haven't really seen something like this on the road. Usually you will see G-Class in darker shades or different colors, like white is also recently got more popular, but the red not really. Also in the bumper the inserts are in high gloss black because of the night package as well as the side mirrors. And here we have these very nice AMG forged crosspoke wheels in matte black with red brake calipers with AMG logo in black, and outer rim of the wheels is in very nice chrome brushed aluminum. And here we can take a look at the suspension. So since the 2018 we have the new suspension for the G-Class individual, and this makes G-Class much more comfortable for daily driving but still retaining a lot of off-road capabilities. Check out my video from Graz, the home of G-Class, where we took the G-Class on off-road situation and it was handling it very nicely. Also the G63 doesn't have a ceramic brakes because they are not as good in off-road as classic steel brakes. That's why the G63 doesn't have a ceramic brakes. Also side exhaust on the side in chrome. And really nice legendary profile. I think these wheels are the best looking in my opinion for the G63. 295/40, and these are R22, so 22-inch wheels. They look rather fine on the G-Class. I wouldn't really use bigger wheels because this is still an off-road vehicle. The ride quality would be just spot on with this size of the wheels. So let me know how do you like this Jupiter Red. I think is really nicely saturated red color. Also here to depressure the cabin we have these side vents. So this has really good use. It's not only for the design, also you can tow with the G63 with the G-Class AMG logo on the left side, the AMG badge in chrome. I believe you can get it also in high gloss black. And the hinges on the doors are very visible, also on the fifth door, also on the side doors. The G63 here also in chrome. But it's very nicely complemented because also the Mercedes star is in chrome, is not fully blacked out. So I think this is very nice balance of having something what is everything in high gloss black, and here like a mix of high gloss black and chrome elements. So I think this is really nice. And of course we have on the fifth door the spare wheel with spare tire as for emergency uses, and also gives the G-Class very nice and off-road look. So what do you think about this? The 4x4 variant doesn't have the wheel on the fifth door, and here you can see the suspension, and we can take a look once again here on the exhaust and shortly in the interior. Also, I believe what I read, the G-Class has now really long waiting list. I believe the waiting time is 2.5 years to fourth quarter of the 2024, but I'm not sure if this is for every market or only for certain markets. So in the interior we can see the diamond stitching in macchiato beige, very nice light beige color. We have also wood inserts, these really nice and light colored wood. So let me know how do you like this. This is also hand built in Magnaster in Graz in Austria, and G-Class takes a really long time to build, even longer than the S-Class. Also we have the AMG illuminated door sills, as well as the Burmester 3D high-end surround sound system, and these plush seats with small window on the top, on the roof. So G-Class now has really comfortable seats, much more than previously. AMG logo in the middle of the seat. Seats are also ventilated and also heated, so the leather here needs to be perforated. And everything is really nicely built to very high level of quality. And here is the badge, the Mercedes-Benz Schuckel proofed. So every G-Class needs to go through the very rigorous test on the Schuckel mountain in Graz in Austria, where the car is rigorously tested in all kinds of situations. And it's not really easy, because when I was in Graz, the G-Class engineers said that they were developing the car. The car needs to go around 5,000 kilometers only on the mountain. Then they will disassemble the whole vehicle, take a look at individual parts, and they need to assess if the part is holding up nicely in the off-road situations, or they need to make it stronger, then put it back in the vehicle and also go another 5,000 kilometers, which is like 3,500 miles. So quite a lot of off-road testing. And only 1% of the actual owners of the G-Class take the car in the off-road scenarios. Usually they drive it as a daily vehicle or as the vehicle in non-off-road situations, so only on the on-road. That's why they make it much more comfortable for on-road as it was before, because most of the people, 99%, drive it on-road. But still 1% is having the security that the car it's able to go into the off-road and handle it very, very nicely. So for peace of mind, if you are in a snowy country, muddy country, something like this, so this car can handle it. And if the scenario like this would happen, you know that you can rely on this vehicle. So that's the beauty of the G-Class, in my opinion. Alright guys, so let me know how you like this spec of this G63 AMG in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.